As you remember from one of our previous videos, we created a form into which user can type in employee's data. The idea was that upon click, that data should be recorded in employee's sheet. Let's now create a sequence that does exactly that. The core of this sequence is going to be transferring values from form fields into the fields in the sheet. It will be done using parameters and, again, it will serve as a nice example how sequences are fed with data. So, since the form contains 5 pieces of information, that many pieces, as parameters, should enter our action sequence. Let's give those parameters similar names and select appropriate types. There. Although sequence does not do anything yet, already at this point we can make a connection to the input forms button. That is done on the button itself. On the right side you can see parameters that the action sequence expects. All you have to do is to fill out the left side. Select which field is going to provide value to which parameter. There. Now, on the click on this button, this sequence is going to be executed. All that is now left to do is to create instruction that is going to use incoming values and record them into sheet. And that is done with this simple insert action. Select the sheet where row should be inserted. And then just map parameter values to fields in that selected sheet. There. Simple as that. You learned in one of our previous videos that you have to exercise full control over your page behavior. Specific example was that you had to refresh list of employees upon deletion, so that you see that new, updated list. Same principle applies here. You have to instruct page appearance what to do immediately after the input form button is clicked. You may choose different approaches, for instance display a message, or reset the form for next input. However, the most natural thing to do just after the insert is to move to the page with the employees list. That way user can see that new employee is really recorded with all the others. And that is done using a simple go to page action. Action sequence is now finalized, so let's try to enter a new employee. There. A new employee appeared on the top of the list. With this video we conclude our simple demonstration of how applications are created using SIP.Cloud platform. As you can see, visual expressiveness and overall simplicity are the key features. They make the platform friendly for developer and enable you in effortless software creation.